Damn snow. Snow. Snowy. Yeah, for snow. Yeah. Hmm. Zoom. Oh, for sure got 713 in yesterday's high. Mhm. Peer review is going to write on all of them still. Any I think you're just getting started. You know, but I wanted the absolute best thing on the market. So why I switched to blue to gold.
It's 80 cents here on the left. They've never done a reverse split. Kind of a volatile stock. It's a Israeli 20 million float. It's kind of interesting. If I had news, maybe at 7, it'd be sweet. Maybe it makes a run for the dollar. See if we can cross 80 cents first.
Yeah.
I go to 80 cents and project it there. Volume is building up. MACD is open. Keep setting the scanners. I don't see fresh news on it.
I don't see fresh news on it.
Thank you, Syndicate Invest.
Then he goes and mutes himself. This bozo. Is Jim even in? Oh, yeah. He's a fucking trooper. It's room to 621.
I'm always, frantically looking for something. And don't miss it. Don't miss it. Miss it. Screwed up. So there is that kind of pressure. And I feel like once that initial pressure from the morning kind of goes away, there's a, I wish I could explain it and really understand what it is, but there's a kind of focus that just kind of sets in. And that's what I've been trying to figure out, because it's the same kind of focus I get when I'm red on the day. Like if I'm red big, if I was down like, let's say $50, then there's two things that happen. Either I completely go on tilt and I just don't make any sense, and I'm trying to hit everything that moves, including like PRZO. I would have bought the top there. Very, very tempted. We'll pull back. Oh, hang on. Maybe we hold on at the 9. No, maybe we find support on the 20 or VWAP. Oh shit, we just lost VWAP. Well, maybe it's gonna curl back up, right? Drones, blah blah blah. And I hold and I hold, and when it becomes even more obvious than this, I'll sell at 60 cents down here. Oh God, why did I do that? And I keep doing it. That's the annoying part. It's like I know better, but
you have no rules, you fucking old prick.
Mistakes, which is mostly not getting out quickly enough. And the issue, sort of is the fact that when I go in a stock, I don't immediately have an exit plan. Not only do I not have a goal, like where do I think we're going with this? How much am I going to make with this trade? But I don't consider how much am I going to lose if it doesn't work. It's like, if it doesn't work, I'll just get out. Where? I don't know. I don't know if I buy at the top here. Maybe my nice little purple lines there. It just flushed right through your purple lines. Oh yeah. Maybe So it is annoying, and even with my candy business, I've never had goals. I don't. When we started, this was just kind of a dream, just kind of we started this on a whim. And, we thought it would just work. And it's been a struggle, but we don't have, we've never set goals. We never went into business saying, all right, we're going to do this. We're going to do this for a decade. 10 years in, we're going to try and make X amount of money or put X amount of money aside for retirement. None of that stuff. It's your typical financial illiterate people doing dumb shit, And now I am in a position where it's like, this is not good. We got to fix this somehow. So here comes trading. Yeah, it's I don't know what to make of it. I think most people would just give up. I think giving up would be the smart thing.
In your case, yeah.
Moving on to something else.
Yep.
PPC getting rid of it. Don't know why.
He should just quit it, dude. Like he's 8 years. He says he's been doing this.
From hard hats to steel-toed boots, Granger's got your safety needs covered. Literally.
We got penny stocks, 4 million shares traded with 8 months of float, 38 SNYR. I'm not going to be interested in trading that, but I want to be aware of it. Always be aware of what the market, what traders are focusing on. My goal now is I'm just going to not size up. I'm going to stay calm, cool, and collected. That's my issue. I've been getting FOMO. I've been triggered, emotionally compromised. So I'm going to work on staying calm, cool, and collected, keep my emotions under control, focusing on my system and the process. Right now, my share size close add to it. My expectations for today is kind of low because we're getting to the end of the month. Okay. Got a lot of big opportunities come. A lot of companies are really holding for that. You fight for attention. I'm fighting for everyone's attention with all this volume in the market right now already. Coming to the markets for SpaceX. Talk a little bit about that. About SpaceX. Ross did a phenomenal breakdown of SpaceX, why he liked it, what with it. I'm certainly going to take advantage of that. Ross said he's going to be looking to day trade it on IPO. I'll be looking to day trade it. If it gives opportunity, if everything looks good, fits in within my criteria, I'm going to take a trade on it. If it doesn't, then I won't. Yeah, I'm not just going to trade it because everyone's talking about it. It looks great. But it's definitely going to be looking to take some long-term investments in it after blackout. Go ahead, 7 a.m. Looks like there's some profit taken on ASTC. Let me see. Accelerate, please call it out. Morning. Welcome. Exciting morning, nice opportunity early. Then I'm not actually trading. At seven pivot, $7 pivot, around 750. Excited about it. Seven. Find those half $100 areas. I don't want to think about that. Like I said, I'm interested in this one. I'll become more interested in it around 750. Push. Yesterday, that was hot. Otherwise, I'll keep my share size reduced to low signal. But I'm not going to go aggressive. Or giving back profit, I'm going to try to stop trading. The type you pick. 8. Level 2.
Well, that went fast. You must have pulled the order. Oh, there it is.
Accelerate 8. About that. Top of 7. Not gonna be that color out there. 730. Nice pop. Right up there. Wait. That holds us. Right underneath that half dollar area. Nice pullback. Once it holds 7. I'm really interested in it. Breaks that 750 level as I want. You gotta honor it. Price really honors those half dollar right into it. That's a nice pivot. Nice trade. Trade. 7. Or candle there on 1 minute. Covers that. Top of the straight. Nice. To curl up. That's what we read first split. Yeah, it doesn't have it doesn't apply forward. I don't think we're gonna see A+ setup today. I got low expectations for fresh break now. No trades right now for me. So I didn't break that pivot I want to see. But I said when I pull this one up, I want to break 750 from the 5 day. So we see that reversal indicator on the 1 minute chart, the shooting star. Okay. I saw a big hidden seller too. saw a massive seller right when it hit that. Actually, I saw it hit the seller at 7. As soon as it broke 7, they came out and then they order out. They put it back. Sell off right now. So kind of seeing seller shares chicken out or hold it rate, but accelerate. But once you see a big seller on a symbol, it's always best, especially if you don't have a investment. Let's set up.
Whoa, what's that? I just built the budgeting app in base 44. Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible. Taking that kid code. Interesting. Can it generate reports?
It can now.
Change. Okay, spot a hit buyer. Like that volume profile bar. Buying come back in. Now it's got a lighter selling relative to buying. Down quite a bit.
That's terrible. Got a nice look. SpaceX something got approval, bandwidth, kind of bandwidth, cell phone. That's 100 times better. Where it can transmit the ball right now, you get out of it. Guys, wait. Well, they got big things coming in the works. As you know, my broadcast brought to you by Starlink. 3 months. I'm watching 18 for opportunity, but I want to see it pop and hold 750. Accelerate. Nice bounce off the 9 exponential. 109. 19 still positive. We got lighter buying. I want to see more buying. Patient. Let my setup come to me. Bubble into it, chase it. If I miss it, it's all right. Bubble into it. First one. Watch it. Overall market. If something else pops up, it's going to slam down. Watch it. Eye on the overall market. Well, that's what your criteria. If something else comes out with some news or something else starts to accelerate up, slam down. Traders are gonna, I'm out for these guys. They don't offer. We're at. Acceleration. We'll see a pop and hold. 750, 725. So. Fiber, but they don't just outside. They're like a couple hundred feet outside. Hanging out with it since the beginning. You know, I was kind of a trial and error with that. I had no intentions of
broadcast at 2 different locations. So I decided to go with Starlink. Looked at them, tried them out. It's gotten better. The upspeed is solid. And I have everything set for 12. From well underneath, I could actually
Wow.
turn up the resolution. Looks like Starlink's going to get better. And it's a fraction of the price. If I would have went with fiber, it would have been a lot. So I went with the max plan. For efficiency, Starlink. But April. Right now, it's really good. I'm going to do some traveling. So, potentially. I'll plan to out.
Why is that not on there?
It's kind of simple here. I don't recall, not to say that it never has. I don't recall too many opportunities out of this country to work. Products. That's why I'm playing it the way I am. I have no trades on it right now. It hasn't shown me what I'm looking for. I didn't see my setup. Showing me weakness, maxi, curl negative, type. I got a plan. Execute my plan. My plan. If I don't see my plan, I'm got my hands in my pocket. So I'm in the driver's seat. $800 per day. I'm not going to get aggressive. It's Thursday. Not seeing 8+ setups. You know, 100% right. Nothing beating 5 pillars of stock selection right now. Stocks down at the top of the charts.
JSTC.
I'm gonna wait at look trade on this above 750 right now. Still raise to 750. The idea of trading at 750 points can potentially show a strong accelerating market. Not showing me that potential to accelerate after our high.
I don't get this RKTO shit. I'm interested in JFB though.
Got much on my watch list.
Naka.
Yes. I want to start with a. They have a T. My brain's working well. Hanging tough. Hanging tough. Hey, morning, Anthony. Welcome. Welcome. Glad to have you. Glad you're here. Glad you're hanging tough. Phenomenal. Yeah, I turned my volume all the way up, so if it gets loud, I do apologize. I haven't had time to dive into the volume situation. I got a lot going on here, broadcasting, and I want to make sure you guys not get echoes. So to solve the echo problem, I had black hole audio. That's audio plugin for OBS. I got a little bit too. I'll have to dive into that around with AI to AI is wild goose chase. Like, and then it gives us that's a severe apology. And then after it sends you on the wild goose chase, it tells you why that way is never going to work. All I can do is laugh at it. Recognize it. But one of those drawbacks, a lot of it does work, but sometimes it's so sit tight, be impatient. Thursday, love trading. I love trading more when I'm right where I'm at right now. I'm in the driver's seat. So I'll just sit back, wait, low sip it. I got my one setup. I seen size up aggressive, got that pop. The idea of one trade a day. Watching 8. Not interested in trading, maxing negative. I'm waiting to see if it gets my setup. Right now it's not. Sideways. I was watching MASK earlier. Oh, right now. I don't have it officially on my watch list. Yeah, wow. Hold up. I on what other traders watch. I'm not after that rejection. Negative. Back up.
P10.
My comments pretty well. Like got a high dollar. I think I might agree with you there, Max. ASTC might give another move. I'm probably not gonna.
NCT.
Do a little VWAP bounce. AST.
FTMO
380.
your favorite platform. FTMO. Start challenge now.
Highs last couple of days. Okay, don't. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Hong Kong. Okay, that's what that today. Yeah, great way to be 177 on AT. What I'm doing is I'm just not a slice number. I don't want to repeat it yesterday. I want to get better. I want to be like a fine wine. Only get better with time. So I'm gonna keep my size reduced for the rest of the day. If I take
404.
size,
5.
I'm not gonna mess with
There went.
Accelerate. I'm not gonna trade it though. We'll talk about it. NCT. I'm not gonna trade it as a Hong Kong company. It's accelerate. My 5 push.
41.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute break.
10.
So I'm not gonna mess with a profit drop today. Highly probable for a profit drop. Don't do accelerate for no reason. Pump it down. I want to see that 1 minute red candle. See how it holds.
They ain't giving it.
Like just under 450. Always keep in mind those half and whole dollar resistance areas. I'd rather wait. Promo into this. Nice acceleration. 5. This is wow. Nice opportunity. Wait though. Like, volatile. Look at that volatile. Look at those spreads spread out. It's up 110% instantly.
I have 590.
I decided not to go. That really spread out. About 25 cents. Wow.
Yeah, it might be too late now on this. Jesus. Now it's got fucking room back up to 9.
That, wow. I don't know what to say with this. Man, look at that.
Yeah, it's just fucking ripping.
What a pop. Holy NC. I agree. I don't know what to say about that. This is a hotter. I'm speechless. But this is the kind of moves we're seeing. No news. Hong Kong company. So I almost wouldn't be surprised if this thing around 5th. And we never know what the top's. What an acceleration. Up here. Nothing. I had a big piece from all sides. The swing zone large.
Yeah. Now we're looking for break of 743.
Why?
142. At a low 650.
Yeah, hands on for sure. I waited on it and went small size, got kicked in the face, but then I saw buying coming in, so I jumped in it. Got $1 a share. Small quarter position.
Didn't sell it at
buying
19.
I took that big loss when I jumped in at 650 the first time, and I got a flush out. I saw the buying coming in, but I saw it's going to pop over that $0.5 dollar, so I jumped in and got it. Literally over $1 on the dollar.
It's 90.
I do like the 1 minute volume profile. It's nice pullback. So I can't. It's a high rate. I would advise you caution. Get out, exercise. They're stepping down.
QTX is fucking.
Got a support level. I don't see big buyers on the level. So I see big sellers, but I'm buyers. It's giving me a nice bounce. Almost like buying this. Not a lot of orders stacked on level 2. What a move. We're going to be seeing a lot of that. What a move. Wow. Oh, man. That was
insane.
That was up 200%. Like, straight up. Started.
$3.
Started. $8. Wow.
QTX is too thick. Maybe.
Kind of
Definite fucking
now
selling.
imagine when the company has break. I'm grateful that I made up. Not only did I make up that loss, I added to my P&L there. I just went on it because dangerous trade doesn't apply for the Hong Kong. Insight on that end.
NCT still not freaking like terrible looking.
Get on VIP
Q-Tex popped up and freaking pulled all the attention.
Leveled out. I'm grateful I managed my risk. Okay, I didn't get emotionally compromised. See how that worked? I took a hit straight in the face.
UIAI is about to
I
go
saw an
now.
opportunity, got in. That was gotta be quick. Got to get in. Now
5108. Wow.
I don't expect to see bounce. I think it was on a recovery five like yeah. I just want to give a shout out to you. I'm with you on that one. All that out. What an awesome community. Awesome community, guys. Got a nice members here helping out. 13, 100. That was 100%. I give my hats off to all the VIP helping out there. All that. Awesome. But as you see, the way I traded it, my risk. I trade that reduced size, got $1. Nearly $1. 643 to 760. What a trade. 5. Keep my share size reduced today. Slowly add to it. Gonna eat fast if I want aggressive.
Some people train for marathons. I train for this. I use my
Incredible volume. I put the 5-minute chart. That reversal indicator on it. 5 candle, 5 minutes, where it's actually. I got low expectations for this. Try to pull back. Move out. Fine. I'm gonna watch it. Got low expectations. Not gonna.
What's that room to?
Cross me back with
It's got room to fucking 922.
yeah, I agree. That was white issue. I love it. Garcia, that's my favorite. Dude, they've had in time for a while. Wow. So frustrated. I'm not sure I can call that. Accelerated so fast. He might in Hong Kong. He might have played just as cautious as I was. He might have saw the volume runner. Might have jumped. Okay, 9K. Excellent. All right, Ross is up 9K. So size up aggressive. Up only 9K. Bottom out. Like so much. Like I'm in here. That was already. Now. Only half an hour into the day. Let's go. Nice. Had an idea that I'm going up 200%. Go $2, $8. All right. I traded the half $4. Now it's this one.
You're gonna get better at those.
177. Now you're 550. Time to go hands off. Just at least reduce your size. That's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna be size up aggressive. Stay small size. I might even start using my smaller size, but got 500 share, but I'm not going to look to slowly add. wouldn't try with that.
EOS.
Well, I'm gonna hang.
No,
I'm not
too
gonna trade
high.
on this symbol. I'm gonna wait till it pops up.
That
Pop up.
and so the 200. Oh shit.
Kind of borderline.
Yeah, I'm the
Joker.
630, 730, up to 9.
Hey, good morning.
50,000.
Good question. So, when you trade, you have your eyes focused on chart candle or time and cells level 2. But yeah, I'm all about. I'm focused on the time and cells level 2. Okay, I'm watching time and cells. Watching buyers coming in looking for hidden sellers. Watching the half whole dollar. I've always got that in my mind. Like, okay, how close is the dollar? Okay, the whole dollar is going to hold. So I watch the time and cells for micro pullback. So I'll watch the time and cells. Let's say $7 or $6. Okay, it broke $6. I'll watch the time and cells to see if I see any orders go through lower than $6. I'll look for the sell orders, and if they don't break that whole dollar, I'll take a small starter, and I'll look for the push through profit target of the next. Then I'm watching level 2 sellers, big sellers. If I see a big seller come out, if I see selling going through, if the price is not moving up, that's a sign of a hit. So I'm watching for that. So that's why I like to refer to as time and sell level 2 my Excalibur. Like the time and sell confirmation.
And
I think over today. Last. Put a little slow over it. What I'm gonna do, what I look for confirmation on time and sell. Okay, what does confirmation look like? When I'm looking after the price breaks a half a whole dollar, level does a pullback, looking for a micro pullback. Okay, what is confirmation like? Now, the time and sell is a flash like this for a second, long. We're talking between a half a second or a quarter second. Time and sell will look like this, flash like this. Oh no, flash. So, time and sell will flash like this. Quarter to half a second, instantly flash. Now that's when I'll punch. That's when I'll hit my buy a quarter starter position. Okay. So if it looks like that, then if I continue to look like this here, I see the time and sell flash like this, I'll add to the position. So if I see the time and sell flash again like this, it happens really quick. It's less than a second, quarter second. I'll add to the position 2,000 shares. Okay. Now I use time and sell for confirmation. So really quick, long we got specialists in capper, kind of created like by it's an exit indicator. Time and sell the flash, same time frame. Second to half a second, if it flash like this, I'll start scaling out. Okay, I'll see this time and sell. Start scaling out.
and
So, this is a screenshot of my time and sell right now. Okay, what's a just bell out? If I see this, I'll just exit. Time to take profit. Time to sell flash. Now we're talking half or quarter second, really fast. A little more I go into dive into the VIP master class. Put together a video, step-by-step learning library guide. Okay. Didn't talk much about that today. Right from this day we had ASTC pop up. So I just jump right into it. But the decision on time and sell, so I'm in the
that's an ETF.
And on the market, I may or may not hold. This is indecision. See how the ask is green, people are buying for the profit. Let's say the profit ticket is worth profit ticket is selling the ask. So I really like my broker. Breaking time and sells ask green means buying traders are buying the ask red selling the ask.
Hundreds of prop traders each month are switching to affordable indicators. Our trade copier forced
making profit. They don't sit in the market. We're in a pop and drop market. I'm out of there. When I see the start and look like this, I'll just get out. I'll leave profit on the table on purpose, so I'm not in a drop. Avoided a lot of drops like that. I'm not getting some drops now. I was in a drop really low. It takes a lot of practice. I always encourage members to practice time and social complication. That's how you do it. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's what I go over in the VIP. A lot of archive of that. And I'm putting together a nice lesson. And unfortunately, right now, I don't have a lot of time for that. Other stuff on. Time to do it. But I do manage to free time together. Waiting for it. Time. Good type. Yeah. Thanks for asking. Chinese Hong Kong symbol really.
Yeah, that's, I gotta figure out. NCT from today and whatever it was yesterday. Both of them did the exact same shit.
Good type, being patient. Appreciate anyone everyone to sign up prior to chat.
That's got a high.
Answer all your questions. I'm sitting tight, just being patient. Sounds working. Right? Dave popped in. Says hi to everyone. Sorry about the market. Test, like this. Good. Okay. Tight.
UTEX is back.
All right, we should try wait for opportunity. Yeah, Dave says hi. 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 Washington. ECT. Well, web actually. Kind of a. Well, we kind of expected it. I was waiting for that 1 minute pullback. In this case, they did a acceleration pop and drop. Accelerated up really aggressively. $8 to $8 for a nice up. Got Yeah, my shutter size is small. Had a bigger loss than I would want to have on it, but I'm out of green on that tree. Okay, guys, I see QTEX accelerating up. I'm not going to be interested in pulling it up. No new higher flow, lower price, up to around $2.63. Didn't pull it up. I do see it accelerating up. Right, be patient. So the market's opportunity. Like I said, it's Thursday, end of the month. We got big things coming here. So let's say that. Oh man. All right, so WRX has breaking news about lower price. U.S. company, medical field. I'm gonna wait though. That breaking news
533, 480.
What an acceleration up! Wow. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I'm not gonna jump in this and get flushed out on it. U.S. company, not sure what the breaking news is. Wait, I'm not gonna fumble. I'm in a good driver's seat. I want to. Okay, right now we got a hollow book. So it's got a hollow book. So I'm not. You don't want to trade a hollow book. Don't chase it, guys. Okay, so this is how you can avoid this. You got a hollow book. I want to trade a hollow book. Wait. Now it's got my minimum volume, but I want to jump in a hollow book.
616 was the high, but it's fucking reversing already.
Still a hollow book. Doesn't have a lot of order signal level 2. Got a tweezer top forming on the 1 minute, which is the reverse indicator. So it's going way too much. Just crossed 1 million shares traded, but price action not with it. Still have a hollow book. I'm not gonna trade a hollow book not today. If I miss this, you gotta be okay with this. Better to miss a move than buy the top. If you bought it at $6 and flush it down now to $5.30. Cut that loser. Be a round trip, pop and drop. Cut it. It shows another opportunity to come back in it, but right now I'm waiting. Pops hold 6, so small size, getting out quick, accelerating up. $6. Psychological resistance. $6. Here it comes up. There's 6. Didn't hold. I know it did take a position. Wait, it's got to hold 6. Watch it for a micro pullback. 6, a pop. Get it started here so we get acceleration. Pop, nice pop. I'm gonna sell into this pop. Sell into the pop to jump out. It's really volatile. Added a little bit. This one's volatile. It really accelerated up above 6. See, now it's slammed back down. It's weakness. So I took a quick trade on that, guys, but this one's a tough one to manage. I'm gonna leave this one alone. It's very volatile. Did add a little to my P&L. I did get green by being quick on this. Not getting.
Six breaks, it's going down though. What was the high of that candle? 626. And rejected again. $2 million shares of volume, and it's fucking barely going nowhere. It's going sideways like a son of a bitch. Mm-hmm. rolling over.
Seven. The daily chart. But wait, this first. But I like it. Hold that flat. No, it's lighter volume. Let's see, first place. Very least. But the daily chart was going off. Daily chart, guys. Manage your risk here. I manage my risk. As you can see, I'm being quick. Monitoring those half full dollar areas. So always keep that in mind. Make sure you wait for it to fold, not just buy it and pop. We're going to see a lot of pop and draws. Okay, that's what the Hong Kong. That's what the pump and dumpers are counting on. I'm gonna into that so they can rip your face off. Try to keep our faces ripped off. But like I said, I like to refer to the market as a 100-story dragon. We are 4 feet shoulders. You're small. You're strong. We are mighty. Yes. Must be patient. Must come to the market with a plan. Unfortunately, giving back acceleration up.
It doesn't have room
It's
for
idea
shit.
why these are exciting about.
220,
Acceleration up. But what we're going to see in the harder market,
220.
the minimum. That full flag, the bread and butter. I know today you may feel like, oh man, flag didn't work out. Tight. In a hotter market, when things are really on fire, we're going to see an average of 2 different flags up. So that bull flag, you're patient. You wait for that 1 minute back. That hit it, and you add to the position. The acceleration is up. We're pointing as we see right now with this first leg. Lock in and you get the idea that one trade. All you need is that one. I got my one, so I'm staying reduced size. I'm not interested in sizing up. My share size reduced. Slowly add to my P&L. I make sure I finish the day green. Try to leave the profit. If I start giving back profit, I walk away. All right, we're sitting tight. I got my hands in my pocket. I'm sitting tight, got my hands in my pocket. Unfortunately, this is a pop and drop. It's rolling all the way over. No support levels. It's still showing a pretty thin level 2. All right, Anthony, saw an opportunity, got in. But yeah, you're like me, got in now, made a little more than I did. I got in now this week. It was rough. Now about $35. All right, better than Bitcoin. The day trade dash, guys. Day trade dash. Real time is excellent. I get notifications now. I'm here. Let me know it's 5 pillars of half breaking. Awesome. Oh, that's hilarious. I love it. That's my favorite movie. All right. What? Question? Oh, that's my favorite scene. Like these handful of soldiers, Titus. Bringing you a commitment to the battle. Like, oh yeah. Yeah. Arcadian, what's your profession? I'm a sculptor. I'm a potter. A blacksmith. Martin, what is your profession? Hoorah! I kill every day, all day. That's it. Nothing else. We're hanging tight, so we can see what we're dealing with here. Hopefully, no one got caught. That. Yeah, I'm not. I'm just waiting for that woman. I hate to make an argument. I'm aggressive. Rapid. You don't want to think like that. You'll start pick up your loss. I'm gonna look at the market volumes here. As you can see, everyone's focused on one symbol, accelerates up. I love the meme, guys. You guys exactly. That's awesome. Awesome stuff. Symbols really accelerate up. Get really nice opportunity. So I'm gonna sit tight and wait. Close it to the day. I'm in the driver's seat. I want to say worst case scenario, I get back half my day. I don't want to do that. 2 or 3 losses in a row, we'll wrap it up. I finish day green. I'm just under $1,000. Right. Got off the west side. Okay. So Weeble's not very. Weeble is, it's always a little margin of error. Because like I said, a lot of things are based on the networks. Don is probably going to be off market going from actual NASDAQ. My understanding. So you always got to keep that in mind about Weeble. Are getting a lot of return on that work. But yeah, I use them as a reference, not all of them. See, I'm watching level data. And so otherwise, sit tight, be patient. A lot of nice acceleration up, nice acceleration up. GRX, pullback. NCT, top lead gapper in the market. It's a Hong Kong company. That's correct. Start to curl up. It's like flat break. I'm not going to be interested in trading the flat break. Not my particular area.
Every time you rip a slab pack, Arena Club makes you an instant offer for your card based on its market value. We got 7 minutes at the top of the hour. We have another opportunity.
AFB. That's.
Hey, welcome back, William. Yeah, man, glad you're here. Yeah, I'm at Ross. There's a huge benefit for Ross. Fine. Yeah, I'm glad you're back. Hope you find value. I'm not sure about the curves, but potentially help short your work curves. Profitability. Yeah. I've seen a lot of potential opportunities for cup handles too, but recently they've not panning out. But they definitely can be some good opportunities. Cup handles, definitely. Yeah, it's Rod's gonna be pricey, but it's supply and demand. He's awesome. So you get millions of people wanting your attention. You gotta throw it out. So supply and demand. So it's definitely worth it. But yeah, price is a little high. That's why I'm here. I always keep my price low as possible. I appreciate all the commentary. And it's it's only gonna get better. It's like a fine wine. It's only get better with time. That price, like I said, I got the price like guaranteed. Like, never have to worry about your price going up, no matter what I come out with. But I will say, I'm getting a lot of requests for one-on-ones, and I will have.
I'm listening to Ross talk about his trade here, and it just it sounds like
my
yeah,
personal time. Coaching, moderation. Yeah. I'm a follower.
trading
Kenny.
it
I
on his name
I've seen that. I play his music.
on the backside.
I'm all right. He's doing much better. He's got a nice audience growing. He's monetized now. He wants to become. It's definitely entertaining. Definitely part of on his journey. He's very transparent about where he's at. So I'm glad he's doing a lot better. A lot better. Yeah, groceries. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. I got a budget, and I don't like my budget. I got a budget. It's pricey. Dinners and everything is very, very pricey. So
Right now it's back.
but there's a lot of free stuff online. A lot of free stuff. So that's why. You say that. That's hilarious. No, it's a 2000 one. That's hilarious. No, it'd be something fair. I have to figure it out. Because, like I said, and then, I'm gonna look into that though. So that that's something. Like I said, if I feel like I can help you in areas that I previously struggled with, and I'm able to pull out of it. You can see where I'm at too. You can see where I'm struggling. Very transparent about that. Like, I get a little FOMO. Yeah, I think we all do. Sometimes I revenge trade, but I know my system. I know I signed up for before. I just got to make sure I stay calm and collected. That's right. I like the analogy, man. Trading is like surfing. The next way, that's like that. Absolutely right. Totally agree. I'm working with that. Yeah, Williams. I'm 100% with you. I'm a big penny pitcher, big time. It's funny. I was debating walking. Me and my buddy was looking at everything like man, Costco's got this deal on chicken. I want to drive all the way out there and walk. We got to looking at it. I was trying to save money. Like, wait a minute. You don't want to walk. You want to walk carrying 5 chickens. That was hilarious. There's a couple point where it's like, you know what? Probably just drive. Yeah, so it's fine. But yeah, no, big time. Just, for my eggs, Walmart, buy them a case of 6 for $7 if you're Walmart Plus member, and I know that. It's cage-free organic eggs. That's fine. That's something I said tight, be impatient. I appreciate you signing up for live broker view. Signed up. Comes with a WAP. I always recommend talk to me WAP. Come on over there. You get access to everything. I got the learning library. I got the beginner start here. I got chapters. Check out the learning VIP masterclass. It's the first hour of every broadcast. Exactly all that. Live trading broadcast. Watch. Roll up. All this broadcast. Access to my email channel where I just talk about how I traded, what I traded, what I could do better. Well, I do see QTBX accelerating up. Once again, I talked about this before. I'm not going to be interested in trading that. Question. Jump over and walk. So I noticed you go ahead and use it. Connect the walk. It comes with it. All that link. Straight to walk. Connect the walk. Dive into there's going to be a list. Once you come and walk, list on the side. Kind of gives you the table of contents, with sites out of each category. Interesting learning library. You scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. Fourth one from the bottom says learning library. Dive into the beginner roadmap. I see it. I think. No, I'm not gonna mess with that. I don't think it's worth it. Why should look at the 5-minute chart. Look at when it hit $8. Those large time of sale first minute. Price action right now. Look how much it pulled back. It didn't hold support at the VWAP, fell right through it. It held support at the 9 exponential, fell falling right through it. Support too much weakness. Actually scrolling negative. That's what I'm not gonna trade it. Only I would trade this.
Oh yeah, that's 67.
Breaks hold that pivot. I'll be comfortable. Remember, I'm trading with the expectation that it's going to go to the high day. Anything you don't want to get out of the habit of trading the backside alone. As you can see, for one setup, something accelerates, gives you one pop. That's it. That's all you need for the day. Don't try to overtrade the backside.
It'll be a red day.
Something else pops up. It's giving you high days.
Down $26 plus whatever here.
Not going to go aggressive. I already got my one trade today.
357.
$600 winner. I had to the rest of the day, or if I start giving a little profit back because I keep my size small, I'll stop trading for the day. Walk away green. Okay, that's what I'm working on. That's what happened yesterday. I got FOMO, sized up too aggressive, bigger loss. I'm making it back.
If you've been thinking about learning how to trade, it is so important that you know the person that you're learning from. And here's why. Most beginner traders will lose, not because they didn't spend a lot of time studying. It's not because they didn't take it seriously. It's because the person that they were learning from wasn't even a profitable trader in the first place. And that's a major problem. Now, for the last decade, I have been teaching people how to day trade, how to warrior trading. We have over 2,000 5-star testimonials from our happy students. What I can tell you is that if the leading cause of failure is a lack of
$24.
the second leading cause of failure is an inability to have a discipline to follow the rules of the strategy. I can teach you the strategy that I trade in the market every single day. And I will do that in my free intro. I'll share my strategy with you, but what I ask you to bring to the table is dedication, the discipline, and the drive. So if you're ready to study and you're ready to learn, please check out my free intro to day trading class.
So,
no, I made 10, lost 20, 14.
Build your market, build your market awareness. Then growing up.
My bad, $20 loss. Shouldn't have got into it. Should have waited for the pullback. But that's our day.